What's up, my friends? Dan the Man here. I got some vape mail that I'm really excited about, and I didn't want to open it with everything else. I didn't want to wait. I got this from a new friend that I met on ELR. He's quite the builder on Instagram. I'll leave links. So he built me some coils, or he had some. We did like a trade almost. Well, I gave him stuff, and then he gave me stuff. So really, we just gave each other stuff. Not really a trade, because I was giving mine away, and then he did his. So anyways, cool, right? I think it's cool. Can't wait. He's got some nice looking coils. He says he's not a professional, but he's really quite good. Came in this. It's a tin and everything. He packed this nice. I'm I'm one of those people that overpacks, overtapes, overstuffs, and I end up paying more because it weighs more. But it's getting there safe. Awesome. And look at all of those. Wow. There's some nice coils in there. I can see that already. Sweet. Man, I'm gonna bring you guys down so we can look at it together. Okay, let's start getting into it then. Look, okay, cool. That's a good idea. But I never thought that is a wonderful idea, dude. That's a freaking great idea. Okay, those are nice looking staggered fused Claptons. Anyways, yeah. That's those. These look like staples. Let's look at them. Nice. And it's not a frame staple either. And he wrapped them. These things are so hard to wrap, y'all. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Yeah, it's hard to see with this camera. Oh, okay, awesome. These are braided. I love braided coils. Sweet, dude. Thank you. That's awesome. Thank you. I'm looking forward to trying those. And then I don't know what that is, but I really like the looks of it. Yeah, so it's all wrapped. It looks like, or twisted, if you will. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Ooh, it focused. Hey, that's a nice looking coil. I could have done that, and I never would have been able to wrap that. I don't know if you guys know this, but these are very difficult to wrap. Dude, that's a nice coil. Thank you. Look at that. Aliens. Sweet. Dude, I am so happy to have some aliens. I love aliens, but I really don't like making them. And those look nice. More aliens. Awesome. Okay, man, this is just so cool. When I get the Ocula, I'm gonna put those staples in there. And those, okay, awesome. Uh-oh. Little girl's gonna come. She likes to eat wire. She's such a nut. Yeah, you can't eat any of my coils, okay? I'm sorry, but that's just how it has to be. Stop. She's scary all up close. Anyways, let's vape ourselves out of here. You'll be seeing this review. Stan the Man signing out. Peace, peace.